Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. On this video we are going to be talking about another kind of scheduling algorithm, and our goal for this new scheduling algorithm is to minimize resources. In the former scheduling algorithms we discussed, we scheduled only jobs that did not overlap with other jobs. That means we did not get to schedule all jobs. But in this video, we are going to find a suitable scheduling algorithm that would schedule all jobs with the goal of minimizing resources. Let's think about it as having a minimum number of processors needed to run all jobs. And a practical example of this would be scheduling trains on railways, So let's continue. And like I said, we do not want to throw any job away. So for our inputs, we have n number of jobs with a start time, and a finish time. And like I said, we want to execute all jobs without conflict. So we want to design an algorithm that outputs a schedule. Let's think about these jobs. Let's say we have the first job. Let's call it job A. This is the start time. This is the finish time. We have job B. We have job C. We have job D. Yep. And we have job E. Let's say E starts here. So how do we schedule these jobs, all of these jobs, using a minimum number of resources, say processors? I would say you should pause this video for a minute, think about this, and then you'd get back with your idea, of course. So, what if we, for our algorithm, what if we decide to sort all of these jobs by their start time? So I would say let's sort jobs by start time. If we sort all these jobs by their start times, we would have A, D, and then B, C, and E. And the next thing we do is we are going to allocate these jobs in this sorted order, right? And for every job that overlaps, we allocate it to a new processor. But for any job that does not overlap with any of its predecessor, we let it use the same resource with any of its predecessor. Let me show you what that implies with an illustration. So let's start from A. This is resource 1. Let's call this, it could be a processor or whatever it is. Let's call this resource 1. So on resource 1, we would have job A, right? Then the next job in our sorted order is job D. Does job D overlap with job A? The answer is yes. So because it does, we are going to allocate it to, let's say, resource 2. It's going to have job D. The next job in our sorted order is job B. Now the question is, does job B overlap with job A? Yes. Does it overlap with job D? Yes. So we're going to allocate it to another resource. Resource 3 is going to have job B. Now let's check job C. Does job C overlap with job A? Does job C overlap with job A? The answer is yes, it does. So does it overlap with job D? Yes, it does. Does it overlap with job B? Yes, it does. So we allocate it to another resource. So we have, this is job C. How about job E? Job E does not overlap with job A. So we line it up here. We have job E. What this means is, for these 5 jobs, we're going to use at least 4 resources. 4 resources. So, but let's imagine a case where, let's say this is job C, and job C starts here, and let's also imagine that let's also imagine that job E, let's say job E starts here. I just want to paint another picture. So we would go again. Let's sort. So we have D, we have B, we have C and E. Okay, that's still the same order. Let's check again. So let's start from job A. Job A, we are going to allocate it to resource A, to resource 1. Job B overlaps with job A, right? So we are going to allocate it to resource 2. All right. Job B, okay, yeah, sorry, this is job D. So job B overlaps with job A and job D. So we're going to allocate it to this. How about job C? It doesn't overlap with job A, so we're going to add job C here. How about job E? It does not overlap with job B, so we're going to add job E here. So in this new example, we use only 3 resources or 3 processors for the 5 jobs. Can you think about another algorithm that would help us achieve our goal even better by minimizing our resources even better? If there is another algorithm that you think of, please let us know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to subscribe, click the like button, share with your friends, and most importantly, keep the conversation going in the comment section. Thank you.